In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this UFO attack render image in 10 minutes. Let's create a cube, and apply the Bevel modifier. Please feel free to use any settings. We'll be adding a cylinder with the Bevel modifier next and try to make it look like a window. Right-click to shade smooth. Let's add the same modifier as well. Shift-Z to wireframe view. S to scale. S and Z to scale on the Z axis. Let's apply a metallic material. Let's select the cylinder. Ctrl+3 to subdivide. Right-click and shade smooth to smooth the surface. That's about right. Let's add a curve point. If you don't see the curve point, please activate an Extra Objects add-on. Please remember to press the 3D button. E to extrude. In edit mode, type A, V, and A to smooth the curve. That's A to select all, V to set the handle type, and A to smooth it. Let's bevel the curve. In edit mode, select the last point at the top, and press Alt+S to shrink it. Let's create an empty object, and use that as an anchor for the array modifier. Ctrl+A to reset all transforms. I'll add the mirror modifier. We can't apply the modifiers when we're in the curve mode. We must convert the curve to mesh, and they will be applied. In edit mode, Shift-Z to wireframe view. Hover the cursor over upper leg meshes and type L to link select them. P to separate, and S to scale. Let's add a torus. We need to add a cylinder. In edit mode, select the bottom face. E to extrude, and I as in India to extrude inward. E to extrude upward after that. In edit mode, Ctrl-R to add some loop cuts to make the mesh sharper. Let's add a cylinder. In edit mode, select the bottom face, and type G and Z to bring it down like this. I'll add an emission shader for the beam mesh. Please remember to use EV with the bloom setting turned on. Let's add a UV sphere and scale it. Select the main node, and press Ctrl and T together to add an image file. To use the Ctrl+T feature, we need to activate an add-on called the Node Wrangler. Let's find the best angle to render. We need to increase the camera's clip end values. Let's go to the Composite tab, and connect the image node like this. I'll use 128 samples to render the scene. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.